Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth. If you're joining me for the first time, you are welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. All right, so if you're joining me for the first time, please kindly consider subscribing to this channel, and also make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. I presume you want to get information about how to get a job in Dubai. Yes, you're in the right place. All right, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you ways and methods that you can go about applying for a job in Dubai and actually getting a job. So if you're interested in this information, sit back and enjoy.
Say my name until the city burns and the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all. Oh, I'll never let you slip away.
Alright, so before we go into this video, kindly do me a favor, hit that like button for me. I'll be waiting. Thank you so much. Alright, let's jump right into the video. Number one is going through Google and then searching specifically for the companies that you are interested in. For instance, you're an engineer, so you go straight to engineering companies in Dubai, right? So once you type that in, it gives you a list of all the engineering companies that are in Dubai, and then you now begin to search specifically. When you open a particular company, then you will see their information there, their email address, their website. Then you can just go straight to the website, send an email, or even call them if there is an opening. So that makes your application goes direct to the desired field instead of going through other areas that may be a lot difficult, or even using an agent. I'm not saying using an agent is bad. If you get an agent that is trustworthy and you know there's no scam, of course, why not? Even though you're going to pay a lot more, but of course it's still value for money. You get what you're paying for. Another method that I will share with you is to get the Dubai newspaper. Dubai newspaper helps you to get the direct link to the companies that are currently opened and accepting applications. So how do you get the Dubai newspaper? You may not be in Dubai and maybe you're from your home country. You can actually go to the website. We have the Gulf News and the Khaleej Times. I'm going to drop the link below so that you can go on and check. Another way to go about getting a job is through your visit visa. For example, you have a visit visa, or you plan on moving to Dubai on a visa, and you search. I think that's another very simple and faster way to get a job. So let's say you get a visit visa, and by the way, to get a visit visa to Dubai is not hard. You can use any of the travel agencies. I would also drop links below, so you can just hit them up and they would make ready visit visa. However, I would advise that you, instead of going for a 1 month visit visa, you should go for 3 months. Why did I say that? So that you will not feel too much in a hurry to you won't feel too much pressure. Do you understand? Like saying, oh, my visa will expire in 3 weeks, my visa will expire in 4 weeks. When you know you have like 3 months space to actually search for this job, you get time to actually search well, all right, and then weigh your options before you jump at any of these jobs. Do you understand? So I think that makes it a lot easier than a 1 month visa. However, there are pros and cons, because if you're taking a 3 months visa, hopefully you get the job before even 1 month expires. But just to be on the safe side, you understand? So it won't be as if you got a visa and it was more like a waste, because everybody's grace is different. So it could take you 1 month, it could take you less, it could take you 2 months. So just to be on the safe side, I would advise you go on a 3 months visa. And then if you do that one, there are extra costs, for example accommodation and all that kind of stuff. But again, there are other better ways to go about that. So instead of it to come in and lodge in hotels, you can actually get apartments that would cost you lesser than if you're lodging in a hotel. All right, so if you want more information about that, let me know in the comment section below and I would feed you. The next step when you have a visit visa is to do a walk-in. Just as it is in Nigeria, sometimes some companies are actually employing, so you can get lucky if you walk in and ask, okay, is that opening here, is that opening here, and then you might just get lucky and you get an interview. So a walk-in is good while you're in Dubai. While you are here, it will even be easier because you just get information, real time, and then you jump at things immediately, unlike if you are doing it from a distance. All right, so the last method that you can use to apply for a job in Dubai, I'll share these links with you, these 5 links with you, and it has helped a lot of people to secure jobs in Dubai, and I'm sure it can help you as well. So the first one is dubizzle.com. dubizzle.com, as in DUBBIZLE.com. I'm going to drop all these links in the description box, so be sure to check in the description box. And the second one is www.bayt.com, as in BAYT.com. Log on to the website. You will see jobs that was even listed 1 hour ago, 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago. All right, just go ahead and apply. Another one is www.emiratesgroupcareers.com. Another one is www.golftalent.com, and the last one is www.monstergolf.com. okay, so I'm even going to add extra 3 websites that you can actually check. So just go straight to the description box after you finish this video, and then start applying. So let's go over all the methods I shared with you. The walk-in method, going through the newspapers, these links that I'll be sharing with you, and then using your visiting visa. All right, so I think these steps, if you try 1, 2, or even all of them, and you are very close to getting or securing a job in the UAE. One thing I'll advise is to get your resume ready to the standard of Dubai. You understand? Your covering letter, your reference letter, all of those things, just get them in place so that whenever an employer of labor requires all those things, it is handy and easy to send to them. I would also advise, if you have plan of using the visit visa, it is a good one. Even before you come with your visit visa, try out all these things. Start applying already. Start applying already from where you are, so that when you are in, it will be like you have a base already. If you need any information about getting your CV to Dubai standard, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to share another video of how you can edit your CV to Dubai standard and get started with your application. Just let me know in the comment section below. Please, if you haven't liked this video, please make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe for more information about getting a job in Dubai, and any information at all about Dubai. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep blessing you with valid information. After all is said and done, after you have applied, after you have gotten to Dubai, don't forget to pray, because it's a highly competitive one. All right, a lot of people are applying every day. You need to also trust that God is in charge of everything, and it's not of him that willeth, nor of him that runneth, but of God that shows mercy. So ask God for mercy, like, God, show me your mercy, help me to get through with this. Okay, and I'm sure that your doors will be open by the grace of God. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that like button for me. Please make sure you hit the like button, and also hit the subscription button if you haven't subscribed. And I'm sure you'll be getting more information about jobs, about anything Dubai. I'm here for you. All right, so until I come your way again, bye.
Wait, when I'm with you, I have it all. Oh, I'll never let you slip away. Oh.